Welcome back to the Azure AI Foundry series. In this video, we'll cover Azure OpenAI within the Foundry platform, what it offers, how to use the new Responses API, and how to upgrade from existing Azure OpenAI resources. Azure OpenAI is the enterprise deployment of OpenAI's most powerful models, hosted on Microsoft Azure infrastructure with full Azure security, compliance, and data privacy guarantees. The available model families include GPT-5, the most capable reasoning and multimodal model, GPT-4.1 and GPT-4.1 mini for production text and code generation, DALL-E 3 for high-quality image generation, Whisper for industry-leading speech-to-text transcription, and Text Embedding 3 for semantic search and retrieval-augmented generation. Azure OpenAI meets the most demanding compliance requirements, including GDPR, HIPAA, SOC 2, ISO 27001, and FedRAMP. The new Responses API is the unified interface for all model interactions in Azure AI Foundry. It replaces the older Assistance API and provides a single, consistent interface across all providers. The Responses API supports single-turn and multi-turn conversations, tool use and function calling, file search and code interpreter, streaming responses for real-time output, and model routing, either automatically or by name across all 1,900 plus models. Importantly, the API now uses stable version 1 routes, so you no longer need to manage monthly API version parameters in your requests. Azure OpenAI powers a wide range of enterprise use cases: intelligent copilots for customer service, HR, and IT help desk automation, document intelligence for summarization, extraction, and analysis at scale, code generation for developer productivity, including GitHub Copilot integration, semantic search for retrieval-augmented generation applications grounded in enterprise knowledge, and multimodal workflows that combine text, images, and voice in single pipelines. If your organization already uses Azure OpenAI, upgrading to a Foundry resource is seamless and non-disruptive. Your existing endpoint URLs are preserved, so no code changes are required. API keys and authentication continue to work. All deployed models and their configurations are maintained, and your current usage quotas and limits carry over. In return, you gain unified project management and governance, access to the full Foundry agent service, enhanced observability and monitoring, and multi-provider model access through one endpoint. In the next video, we'll cover deploying and managing models at production scale. Thanks for watching.